Hello everyone, it's Susan here and let's just plan. So today I am going to watercolor paint the word memories inside of the wreath that I painted. I'm replacing the cover from the big Rustic Memory Keeping Planner. So what I've done is I took a piece of watercolor paper just to get a feel for the size of the letters that I have to paint. So this is kind of just a guide for me. So I'm gonna I'm gonna place it over here actually. I have my Daniel Smith watercolor paints next to me. I'm using a size 4 silver black velvet paintbrush. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of go into music right now so that I can think about what I'm doing as I'm doing this so I don't mess it up. Okay, so here is some music and I'll be back at the end. Alrighty, it is done. Once this dries, I'll go ahead and erase that pencil line, and I'll go ahead and laminate it. I'll cut the holes, and I'll have a new cover for my big rustic memory keeping planner. I love it. Let me know what you think. Alrighty, have a blessed week. Bye-bye.